Yes guys, the famous flat bridge constructed after 1724 by slaves, and rumor have it say slave buried in the foot of the bridge, right? And that's why around there haunted. That's why flat bridge haunted. I don't know who it is. So comment and tell me your experience of flat bridge. Comment and tell me if you are afraid of crossing flat bridge. Going down Spur Trail right now guys, and it's located in Manchester, and it is named after the giant cotton tree that used to be. This hill guys, very dangerous, especially for trucks. Every minute a truck go over the gully, and according to Google this hill is 1,500 and something feet, almost 2,000 feet high. Yes guys, right here is the famous Holland bamboo located in St. Elizabeth, Lacavia, St. Elizabeth. The bamboos are not very green like one time maybe at the time of the year, but very nice. And this stretch of road is 2.5 miles long. You know, the bamboos on the two side of the road like a cave, so the bamboo farm like a cave over the road. Very nice peeps. I'm gonna say maybe because at the time of the year why the bamboos are not green and pretty like one time. New market town. New market town. So, you know the road man. Darliston Primary School. Darliston Town.
Just take time, God. Take time, God. Take time, because we're going to turn on the
Yeah, look at this spinach tree, very beautiful and nice, very healthy. So how you never know you look, can have an idea how you look now. Wagwan again you had this. Wanna good? Well, wanna see Wagwan already, not like so I'm not really explain Wagwan, right? I'm not gonna say, just watch the ads, share it out, leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe if you're new. And guys, I have all the ingredients in it, but I still try things same way. At the first time I do it, but I just try things same way, even when I have all the ingredients. Yeah, so just watch what I go on. And you don't know my style, outdoor already. And the fire catch already, so I'm sure now I go on. See the peeps, the pot, this coal stove, or the rim I use today, come I can't find the coal stove, well ready. Right, so I tell you now, to throw in the pot. I remember guys, watch your ads card. That's how I make a revenue. So just watch your ads. So I'm throwing oil now, peeps. Yeah. Vegetable oil. Pot one. Straighten up still. I'm gonna take like a coconut oil. Natural coconut oil, you know. Yeah. Just a little bit. So throw in the shrimp one time, the islet. So soon back one time, the islet. The shrimp one season and thing, so that we start out now. Alright guys, so see shrimp here. The shrimp. Shrimp sauce already. We have the yellow mustard, salt, so the season we use. We have some garlic powder, onion powder. This don't want to the label, Maggi label, but to the onion powder. Yes, like we are putting in on the shrimp now. Get this full. So first let me try this. So if you say better way you can do it, or you can just leave it in the comments. I'm not able to see if mine try, so if you the season what you guys like. The garlic powder. Onion powder. And guys, gonna put no pepper sauce tonight because with the kids I eat it too. They want it so don't put the pepper sauce tonight. It's hot. Go in with the shrimp now. Mix it up. I'm gonna try guys some shrimp in the back. I'm gonna try. So depending on how this tastes now, then we know to do the next one. Alright guys, still again, big go the plate. And so I go on night. You shoot them here, flour one thing. So the cornstarch, now the flour guys. So I get them fry up now. I will add. I don't know shrimp don't take no time to them prepare. 6 times shrimp don't prepare. Oh, come on, the fire too hot. They are already. So we need to get the pot ice up in the air side the fire. So I don't want them burn. I don't know they're cooking always, you know. I'm say watch it hot card, that's how I make a revenue. Yeah, sometimes I think a bit long, but watch as much as possible out of it. Yeah, so we can make a revenue. Yeah man, that's how I go, you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna take out the man now, you know. Then brown. I know shrimp don't take no time. So far it's not deep fried shrimp. Yeah, I'm gonna say first time I try. So let's see the taste and we know what to do next time. Let's see how to tweak it next time. Alright. See the peeps? Yeah man. Golden brown. Yeah man, you this so at time now, the taste what got for me, deep fried shrimp. I'm say at the first time I do it, and if you guys know a better way how I can do it, when you can just comment or tell me. Yeah, so let me see what Gwaan. And I'm say I don't put any pepper sauce in it because baby, I can taste it like 2 year old, 3 year old, I don't know. Them can manage pepper and thing. So we don't put the pepper sauce in it. And also egg. I figure the egg. And say alright, I do it same way. Even though I have egg, because I put it on YouTube, I'm saying put egg in it. So one can definitely put egg in it next time. Or when you not do it, if for the first time you not do it and I want to try it. So let's see what I go on now. Alright. You know, small shrimp lemire. And small. Next time, I definitely have to buy bigger shrimp because they're small. Yeah, small, small, small. It's bad. Okay, guys. And only everybody want to taste it. They definitely do well with the pepper. But everybody have to taste, you know. Everybody have to taste what I eat. Can't finish. Because I really like that this. I definitely can taste the mustard. It's bad. So guys, if you enjoyed this on the video, thanks. Really appreciate it. Enough respect. To all the people who are support the channel, enough respect. Really appreciate it. You see me? Continue showing support and all that. I'm gonna say, give it a like, share it out, leave a comment, and tell me what go on. So, guys, I'm catching you now next video. So, look more.